So, hello everyone. It had been a while since I last posted any video, and it's currently 8:45 p.m. and I just remembered I had to post this unboxing video of my brand new shoes. So I bought this in the Nike showroom, right? And Silver Mall Mansa. Also loving Mall Mansa. This one, you get a Nike bag, and this is my all new Nike Sacai Waffle debut. And you can see, so this shoe cost me 17,000, and it's pretty good. So this is the packaging, and nothing too fancy. राम्रो चाहिँ के लाग्यो भने बाहिर चाहिँ नाइकीमा they give you a paper bag. युरोपमा चाहिँ यहाँ चाहिँ जे होस् एउटा क्लथको ब्याग दिँदो रहेछ. Environment friendly plus sustainable है त. So let's see कस्तो छ bag shoe. So nothing much, your normal paperless wrap रहेछ. And then this is the shoe. So this is the all new Nike Sacai Waffle debut, and I really like this colorway. Black and white, but then there's this hint of green, Ireland Irish green जस्तो लाग्यो मलाई. So I really like this. Nike को emblem छ, and then here's the emblem. There's this good quality insole. Just यसको यो जुत्ता मन पर्नुको reason चाहिँ यो the waffle sole एकदम strong हुन्छ. I'll probably use it in my gym. Looks pretty nice, feels pretty nice, and this is what 17,000 gets you in Nepal. अब बाहिर लेको भए चाहिँ यो it was around 90 euros, तर नेपालमा you have to pay that premium price for normal shoes पनि. Just it's pretty good है. मलाई चाहिँ राम्रो लागेको थियो colorway. यो थियो, अनि अर्को चाहिँ Sacai Waffle debut को shoes भन्ने थियो. It was really nice. बक्सहरू राम्रो थियो. यहाँ चाहिँ बक्स पनि अर्कै आउँछ, but then त्यसको colorway चाहिँ blue, white and yellow थियो, a hint of yellow, अनि मसँग त्यो सुजहरू चाहिँ छ त्यो कलरको. So this is it, and the other pair just राम्रो छ. Shoes leather को छ, and then the Sacai the waffle sole एकदम राम्रो छ. यसमा चाहिँ Nike लेखेको छ, and then यतापट्टि चाहिँ 972 since 972. The shoe is pretty good. Sportswear मा एकदम राम्रो देख्छ. So I can't wait to wear this one. And so far the collection is looking really good. एउटा Jordan 1 अनि एउटा यो हो. Also मेरो Jordan MVP नि आउँदैछ. I'll probably unbox that. यहाँ YouTube मै हाल्छु होला. So this is the shoe. यो चाहिँ दवामाको Nike showroom मा ल्याएको चाहिँ. It's pretty nice है. So that's it. आजकल भिडियो नि हालेको छैन. I'll soon head towards the track. एक दिन track practice मा जानेछौँ. This is the box. ज्यादा छ. So nothing more. के पनि छैन खासै. यति हो ल. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.